Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take a look at what just came in. It's a 2018 Forest River Puma by Palomino. This is an awesome family unit triple slide. The model number is 32 BHKS. Let's take a look at the outside kitchen. Fridge, microwave, sink. We are prepped for a backup camera. Another massive slide here. This is for the bunk room, folks. One for the bunk room. Another one here for the kitchen. Looking good. Two 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. Let's take a look at the storage compartment. Lots of plywood, I see. I like it. Power awning, LED lights. Folks, take a look here. We got power connection, cable connection, outside speakers right at your head level. And yes, you can put your TV outside. All right, let's walk in. All right, walking into the Palomino. Let me shut this door. So opposing slides right here in the center that gives you not only a center island, but just lots and lots of room. So we got a table, 4 chairs. There is storage within those chairs. This sofa that is directly across from the TV and the fireplace. That does open up and makes a bed. Fireplace does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. I see we got a CD player over here. Sound bar, TV. Over here in the kitchen area. Pantry. We got an ever-chill 12-volt fridge. Greystone microwave. Oven. 3 burners. Love the window up here. Coat hook. Fairly clean, folks. We haven't cleaned it. Looks like the previous owners took very, very good care of it. Bunk room. So bunk 1 and 2. And bunk number 3. Check this out. We got ourselves a closet. You don't see that very often. Nice. All right, let's go up to the washroom. We do have a medicine cabinet. We do have a fan that's making a little bit of noise. All good. Lots of storage here, folks. And then take a look at the shower. All right. All right. After that, master bedroom. Ta-da! Here's in her closets. Great spot there to mount a TV if you wish to put one in. Opposing windows that do open up. Okay, I like it. Folks, if you like it, come on down and see us at 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon.
Ooh, I love this skylight.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.